Here's how you create and save a preset in Premiere Pro. First, let us quickly apply an effect to this video clip right here. For that purpose, we go to Effects here in the upper left corner of the screen. Then we search for an effect right here. For example, Gaussian blur, and then we drag and drop this effect onto our clip to apply it. Now, when we head over to the Effect Controls panel right here, we can increase the blurriness. Let's say 35%. Our video now looks like this. And now let's say we would like to save this as an effects preset, then here's how we do it. In the Effects Controls panel again, right click on the effect that you would like to save as a preset, and then click on Save Preset. Then give your preset a name and click on OK. Now last but not least, let me show you how to load an effects preset, so that you can use it again in the future. First, go to the Effects panel. Then open up the Presets folder right here, and there you should find your effects preset. To apply this preset, all you need to do is to drag and drop it onto the clip that you would like to apply it to, and you're all done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, then make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Premiere Pro tutorials.